Hold this. You good for me now?
Yeah.
We got Ribfest. First class TV.
Exactly, bro.
Stay for the rib? On the food. Taste it?
Oh, that looks amazing.
Is that line up there?
Yeah.
It's a background over there. How much got it? Oh, pork.
No, they have chicken, pork, and
Yeah. You don't got ribs, do they?
huh?
You don't got ribs, do they?
Not here.
Dude, they serve licks though? I just don't know mine like that. The licks?
That's what I heard. I don't know where though.
I know, I just want to get off the long like rib. I don't know. I gotta ask the same questions you got.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that wait for the rib and the lobster? Whatever that is.
What? That's all cost? The fucking costume?
Where do you order? Right here?
I'm back in Illinois. No, I'm not. I'm done. That makes sense. I used to get like a I'm
gonna have to find out where to put right now. Like you guys know all that. You know?
I only got Molly.
I partied it up this weekend.
Yeah, I know.
Just keep walking.
It's all
Yo,
cold.
you have YouTube?
He does.
Nice. Nice. That's my first connection. Oh, you're mic'd up. Yeah. Oh, you're mic'd up. I gotta be careful. I'm a financial advisor.
We cut everything.
Yeah. Good. Yo, showcase. Now it's been like, all right. I guess I was joking. We were at a party. A party. Lombardi with Bacardi. Bacardi. Cardi B. Cardi B.
Whole pork?
You guys want yo? Go for a test drive, bro. Yo, then I'm 6.
Anything in the trees?
I'm 6. I'm 6. I'm 6. Yo.
Can't do that right now though.
I mean, you can wait 12 hours though and go for it. I can press the button right now. I can start it from here.
Yeah.
Where's Molly?
Right here.
Oh!
Hey, there you go. Ah, okay. This is my plug. This is my plug. This is my plug.
I found
Stop.
That's my plug. That's my plug, dog. No, you got it, man. That's funny as fuck, though, bro.
Have a good day.
That's funny as fuck, though. Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's up to you. So everything's closing, so you might as well just try to get
No
something.
test drives, get some rims, yo. They'll link me up at the fireworks station, okay?
Fireworks
In a
station?
bit. Actually, I think it's
on the other side, right?
I think it's directly adjacent to this.
Okay.
Hey, where's the fireworks station? It's over here. Damn it, pay attention. Where's the fucking fireworks station? It's over here.
I'm not sure. I think it's this way.
Line up here.
You guys gonna go back?
They need. Hey, call them. Call them, not me. Don't call them. Alright,
We'll figure it.
you know how it goes, bro. You know.
Have a good day. You already have a viewer.
Looks like you guys are busy to the max. I wanna leave, but like I don't wanna walk into another lineup.
No, because number 2 is going to be a long ass lineup for this one. Number 2, everything's closing.
Exactly.
So at least get something in.
Yeah.
You want to grab me a chicken one?
What?
Chicken one?
Lucky?
Yeah. You want to walk around?
Yeah, let's walk around.
Or should we order?
Can I order? Brother, can I order right now? Can I order right now?
Yeah, give me a moment.
Okay. I know, guys. You just want everybody to pay at the same time, right? See me pay.
It's okay, I'm getting some content.
No worries, thank you. Like, you know, just cut through. It's like, cut, and he hung up. That makes it fun.
I said 10 minutes.
10 more minutes? You said that 10 minutes ago.
You said that 10 minutes ago?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Should have had beef or would have cooked faster.
Come again?
Okay.
I said they should have had beef and would have cooked faster.
Yeah. I wanted to ask me if you could just take one off. Like, I like mine medium rare. Whatever.
What time is it? It's basically supposed to put it like what, like 10? I guess that's down there done in my life. Looks good too, it's well good.
What do you think you say that?
Wow, the smoke's getting in my eyes.
Okay, so I'm here.
Yo.
I'm here.
Sorry, finish it. Huh? Looks like this is the only one that's open still. And I made a little.
White paper, like.
Should be good, yeah.
got 2 chicken kabakis.
Oh yeah? Oh. I got all the fireworks. I got
Burgers, they have a burger spot.
yeah, right there. Wait.
Oh, should I grab a burger, man?
It's up to you.
I think I'll just stick to this, no?
It's up to you.
Yeah, stick to this. Come, let's go.
Huh?
Can you see properly? Yeah? I'm close. Supposed to be like, I don't even know if I might just act like it. You see that, right? So you're hugging another one, right?
Huh?
You're hugging one of them, right?
If you don't mind.
Yeah, they give me chicken souvlaki with like what, potato. That's it. Get up, get up. Gotta get closer to the food. Pork fucking broke, my nigga. Pork fucking broke, my nigga. You have to take yours still.
It's okay. I'll get one from home.
Chicken pockets still.
Yeah?
Heavily seasoned. Properly salted. Pork is alright. It's kind of cold. Yeah. This kind of mid slow. It could be more like, you know, soft. Oh, the fireworks are done already? Holy fuck. I'm never trying to get out of this right now. You know, it's solid stuff. And overall, I give it like a 9 out of 10. Not even a 9, 8 out of 10. But yo, I don't eat anymore just slow. We feeling get into it. Can we move it?
Or we can make a lap inside just to get the footage.
100%.
Here, you want me to hold?
Huh?
You want me to hold?
Put it in the bag. Hold it. Put a lap.
This,
That way, isn't it this way? Make sure it.
no, that's the...
I think you're right.
Ja, one.
Where's her stuffy?
It is. Huh?
Where all the ribs are at?
Yeah. Maybe some of them are still open.
Huh?
Maybe some of them are open.
They are. That thing salon, fam? The green light on that side?
Huh?
The green light on that?
Yeah.
What are they gonna say? Checking these places out, no?
Yo, that one doesn't have a lineup.
Doesn't have a lineup? Probably a reason why.
Well, it says first place on everything.
Okay, alright. Go to a different side.
Makes sense why there's no people.
I want you to you have beef ribs, right? Got any ready or I gotta wait?
Sorry?
Got it ready or do I gotta wait?
Oh, have it just a minute. Go back to me! ASAP! Right now! Right
Jesus.
now!
God, she's bossy.
65 for you.
Are you done? You're not even done and you're bossy. I'm done, guys. Are you guys ready? Do we have no more beef?
Oh my god, the last one.
That's a sign.
Good one. That was good.
Double box for you. You guys have a lovely night. Everything you'll need is just right out front.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Everything you'll need is just on the table out front.
Oh, I'll see no more.
Thank you, guys.
Yep.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, so.
You have three? Okay.
Let me take a look at that wall with the light. Let me take a look at that with the light.
Come, look at that. Come over here, come over here. Come.
Oh. Boom.
Boom, boom. That's a lot of ribs. I think it's what, 60
It's a
bucks?
full rack.
Yeah.
I've never had a beef rib before. I've only had the pork.
Yeah. I haven't had this shit in a minute, so years. Original barbecue sauce. Put a little bit. You want to wrap?
What?
You want to wrap with some?
Can I?
Yeah, I think they gave me 2 boxes. So I think they gave me 2 boxes because of the sauce.
Yeah. Oh man. Like I've had pork ribs, never had beef.
Grab one of these. You gotta go punch it.
There's no way you're eating that whole thing.
Are you crazy? Eat the whole of what?
Right, somewhere here.
Where? Oh, Mrs. Good right here. No, okay.
How many people have probably filmed here?
You know what? Let me turn this way. Turn this way. See, there's the light, man.
Oh.
Grab that drink. Ten out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Fire.
That's Gator barbecue rib.
10 out of 10. Nice and tender, flavorful, juicy, all of that. Barbecue sauce is in. Nice, good. This is right here, so. Really garbage, bro.
No idea. No, that's not a garbage can. That's not a garbage can. Vegetarian nightmare.
These are garbage.
Huh?
Garbage.
Yo, you know I've been recording for like 40 minutes? I've been recording for 40 minutes.
Oh, that's fire. Dream plan, right? First time. I'm honestly hold. You put this in the bag? I don't think I have a bag.
I doubt it.
Get that. Security guys picking up. It's getting lit out here, man.
You got some text.
Got some text?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I put on, what do you call it? Airplane mode, bro? Not
I don't know.
Mode, do not disturb?
I don't know.
Drink you want water?
Whatever they have. Or Coke. Coke. Yeah.
Can I grab some? Grab like water? No drinks? Alright, no problem. I don't think they have beverages here. We go over here.
It's only on that side. How good was the rib?
Sorry, man.
10 out of 10, bro.
Yeah?
Fire, 10 out
You're
of
gonna let me
10.
try one?
You can try one. Yo, give me
No,
that.
after.
All right.
I'll take it to go. I don't like eating outside.
What is it?
It's butter beer. It's not beer. It's not beer.
Every month.
Huh?
It says beer, but
It's not beer. It's a kid's drink. It's from Harry Potter. Cat fights. Yo, just grab a drink from there. From the ice cream guy. Oh yeah, fuck. No, I was there? Fuck. Yo, hold this for a sec. Oh, God, I'm getting fucked by a mosquito right now.
Don't kill me.
On my head top.
Head top?
On my head top. Oh,
Look, you're sweating too, bro.
bro, because I was right next to a smoker for like 10 minutes. Here, pass. Oh, just get a slush.
I don't want to slush.
What? Slushes are good, bro. What? Are you serious right now? Oh, this guy has drinks. What the fuck? Hey, brother, do you guys sell drinks? Do you guys sell drinks? No? What, no one here sells drinks?
Guys, a free sample. Oh, sorry about that. At the Little Italy Fest, it was fresher. This one seems like the end of the day.
Oh, yeah.
That was my first.
Yo, you want to lift up my sons? I can't believe you bought a full rack of ribs.
I think that's the only way I could have ordered it. To be honest. Yeah, it was Ribfest, bro. Go hard to go home, right?
All right, now do you want to
That's
close
just
it out?
fire. I'm gonna eat that, man.
And leave me one or two. Huh?
What's your?
You gotta close it out?
Before we close it out.
Actually,
Yo, is that real?
Passed around more than a woman.
Just end it.
Nah, do the.
Pass it, pass it.
Close it out.
Come, fire. Mad dark over here, fam.
You happy?
I'm blessed.
It's still recording.
I know that.
These guys have drinks? Oh, they have drinks.
Selling it? Hold this. Big money.
There's no water inside the park.
Take that Coke.
Hold this.
What's this?
there's a lot of stuff. It's coming from this one. Yeah, all the way down. No, that's aquafeed, no.
Just give me. Okay.
Have a bottle of water and one Coke.
Water.
One bottle of water.
And a Coke.
And a Coke, yeah.
You guys have beer?
Yeah, fam.
You're lying.
Yeah, these.
Oh. You got 2 of those?
Yeah, 2 of those. I already ordered it.
No. Actually, instead of the Coke, can I get one of those Pepsis?
See Pepsi.
One Pepsi. Hold on, put it right here. Boom, boom. Canadian right there.
Oh my God!
Yeah, this, so 3?
3, right?
Just these 3, that's it.
Oh.
Keep this, yeah. How much should I get?
So 14 and 7. That's
21?
21.
Well, you don't want the water?
No, I'm good on the water, so 20, 25 right there.
$4.
$4?
Yeah, $21.
Alright, respect. Alright, big man, respect. Come on.
Have a good day. Good night.
Let's go.
There has to be like 25, 30 minutes of good footage. I guess.
Lots of footage on this.
These guys are still trying to go in. It's done.
Might as well end this.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Alright. Guys, subscribe to the Twitch. Follow. First time doing a stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Ribfest 2025. We're Machiavelli. Tapping out. Another video. Holla. Hit that black thing. Boom. Pull up, yeah.